December 3, 2023. Ngayon magbibigay ako ng update about PancakeSwap.
Disclaimer: the information provided on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered as investment or financial advice. Cryptocurrency investing involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You should always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. We do not guarantee the accuracy or completeness of any information presented on this channel, and we will not be liable for any loss or damage arising from reliance on such information.
Para sa may mga active stake sa PancakeSwap, kailangan mag-migrate from B2 to B3 staking. Lahat ng rewards ngayon sa B2 staking ay nakapost. Para ma-unlock lahat ng benefits sa staking, so kailangan natin mag-migrate sa B3 staking or Bcake. Ngayon ipapakita ko kung paano mag-migrate sa Bcake. Okay, so dito makikita natin sa guide, so migration can only be performed on an active position with more than 7 days in remaining lock time. So dapat more than 7 days yung natitira natin sa lock time para makapag-migrate. You cannot extend or add more cake to a migrated position. So hindi tayo pwede mag-extend or mag-add ng cake sa migrated position. Okay, so however, you can create new Bcake position by locking cake. Okay, so then perform add cake or extend position on the native Bcake staking position. So yan ang mga dapat natin tandaan kapag mag-migrate tayo ng cake. Dito makikita natin sa zero pool, so meron akong active stake. So may nakalock akong 302 cake. So ang lock duration ko is 45 weeks. Okay, so meron pa akong 13 days. So dito makikita natin, so merong button, migrate to Bcake. Okay, so all fixed term staking position must migrate to Bcake to continue receiving rewards. Dito makikita natin, so naka-post yung reward. So para ma-unlock yung rewards, so kailangan natin mag-migrate sa Bcake. Okay, so ngayon click natin dito sa migrate to Bcake button. So migrate your cake staking position to Bcake and enjoy the benefits of weekly cake yield. And click natin dito, so migrate to Bcake. Okay, so dapat naka-open yung MetaMask wallet natin na nakakonect sa BSC chain. Okay, and sa MetaMask, click natin sa confirm. Okay, transaction submitted. So click natin sa close. So ngayon meron na akong Bcake sa 2.17. Okay, so dito makikita natin yung naka-lock na cake sa 302.04 and unlocks in 14 days. Okay, so December 17 suma-unlock itong position ko. So kung gusto natin mag-add ng cake, okay, so para magkaroon tayo ng additional reward, so pwede tayo dito mag-add. Okay, so lock cake to get Bcake. Okay, so bagong position. Okay, so dito hindi tayo pwede mag-add. Okay, so but dito so pwede tayo mag-add ng cake and pwede natin iset yung duration. Okay, so yan lang ang gagawin natin para maka-migrate tayo from B2 to B3 staking or Bcake staking. So hanggang dito na muna and abangan nyo na lang ang mga susunod na update na gagawin ko para sa PancakeSwap at sa iba pang cryptocurrency topic dito sa channel. Okay, so good luck and God bless.